Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Kiara, y'all. I'm back. Look at my baby, she had them grapes open. Just wanna bring y'all with me while I do this little quick video with y'all. Okay, don't matter if y'all hear my man in the background sleep snoring. Okay, don't matter that. We all have them days sometimes. Okay, so first I'm gonna show y'all my refrigerator and my freezer before I clean it out. Okay. And I end up washing it out. By the way, I had my daughter, my sister, one of my sisters recording me while I was trying to clean out the refrigerator. And yeah, y'all, so I want y'all to come with me and help support me, okay? Help me support me in a stay-at-home mom. And we finna get to it, y'all. Okay? Help support this mom, y'all. Please, come on now. Give me there. Or whatever. Y'all start letting me know what we could talk about, okay? Start letting me know. I gotta give me a tripod, y'all, so I won't have to be having people record, or I won't have to be setting up the phone. Setting up my phone and stuff in certain areas and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna throw that nasty ass mop in the garbage. We don't even use that damn mop, y'all. We use one of them other ones that you can switch out the pad at the bottom. We used that one. We bought that one from Dollar Store when we first moved in. But yeah, y'all, I'm cleaning it out, wiping out the freezer. I'm stacking the freezer and everything up. And yeah, y'all, both of they asleep right now. And baby, I be tired, y'all. I said, let me just pick up this camera and let me just pick up this phone and do my voiceover and stuff, because I've been did this video for y'all. I'm just finding the motivation and stuff to start showing you guys now. This is my little sister recording. One of my little sisters recording. Well, I thought I edited that out, y'all, but don't mind that. That was just me yelling at one of my other little sisters being a damn crybaby. But yeah, y'all. So I'm just showing y'all everything. Everything. I'm not gonna talk this whole video. I wanna let y'all let me talk in the rest of this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. And yeah, y'all finna see me playing, right? Because I asked my sister what was all the freezer food. Give me all the freezer food out. Put all the freezer stuff up in the freezer first. And she said she did, and then I ended up finding out that she didn't put none of that in the damn freezer. I found all freezer food. But yeah, y'all, come with me and enjoy my little personality and everything. And yeah, get to know me. The real me. Alright, y'all. Y'all gonna see what the video. I'm out, okay? Enjoy, y'all. Enjoy.
Girl. Okay, you will be okay. You will be okay. When you do this voiceover, I'm gonna be like, you will be okay every time. You look dumb.
Look. Put that over there. Pause it. Put that over there. I have to get my sour cream recording.
Yeah.
My baby jerseys.
Oh, goddamn ball. Look good.
Alright, go ahead. Hold on.
Ugh, that's what my friend be eating. She be having them in her person, eating them at school. They're nasty.
Oh my goodness.
Then she don't even eat the outside. She be eating the inside. She like that part. Carl family.
Sweet potatoes.
Oh,
Nope, make sure you don't get that.
they can't see it, boy. You putting the bread in the refrigerator?
Yeah, because you need a bread thing. I'm going to say that up in the thing. That we need bread. You warm it up in boom, boom, boom. No, I'm giving you.
I can't eat that. But I'll eat the
Oh,
outside.
I found something for somebody in your crybaby.
Alright. Yep.
Okay, come on. 6.
Do not blow me.
Alright, so you showed that right?
Yes.
Alright, y'all. This is just me showing all the rest of the other little snacks and stuff that I had got. So we were trying to eat healthy and stuff, and then I got all that fat stuff, y'all. Honestly, cookies and Doritos and all that stuff was from my man Big Back. His Big Back. So, but yeah, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Come back for more, and let me know more stuff y'all want to see. Yeah, my baby had opened. They had already opened up them chips. My sister and my babies and stuff. And yeah, y'all. I'm out though. That's it. Bye.